Hello, ladies and the gentlemen. Today we have another new lesson. Uh, I want to introduce for you is how to label layer in a QGIS. So firstly, we will start to open a QGIS application at which our work will going to take place. This is a QGIS window. After opening this QGIS window, we will going to have the layer which we will deal with it so as we can label them. It is our administrative boundaries layer, which is our area of concentration. After having our layer in a QGIS window, we will label the administrative layer or region by customizing with a label text sample. So let us going to open our QGIS application and we will start with this step. Okay, this is the QGIS window or worksheet we have already opened, and we are navigate to add a layer. The layer which we are going to have is a vector layer. Here we have this icon which represent a vector layer. You can click this one or you can navigate up to layer here, and you will going to add a layer and add a vector layer like this one. So you can use this one or you can use this icon. So we are going to vector database or dataset, which is where we store our downloaded administrative boundary layer. Now we will select two layers. First is admin 0, this one, and second is admin 1. Those are SHP file. These are shapefile which we are going to load in our QGIS panel. So after selecting these two layers, which is our area of concentration, you will click open and then click add. Okay, close this panel, and in our layer panel, the two layer or selected layer, it is already displayed here. This is Tanzania map. As you see, this is admin 0. Admin 0, it represents the boundaries of Tanzania, but admin 1, it represents the region which are found in Tanzania map or Tanzania boundary. So in order to label our layer, this admin 0 have no layer. If you will label it, it display the name of this country only. But if you will going to label this one, it displayed the all region which are found in this region or these boundaries of Tanzania. So let us try to label this one and tick this, and we are going to label the admin 0. Before labeling, we are navigated to open attribute table of this first layer, which it is admin 0. Open the attribute table. Attribute table, you can right click this one and go to open attribute table like this one, or you can use this shortcut icon, open attribute table, and then our attribute table, it is already opened. When you see here the name name 0 is Tanzania. So if you want to label this one, the Tanzania only, it is displayed across the whole boundaries, but it is not our case. Now we are going to label this admin 1. Okay, tick this one and untick admin 0. I think you see the boundaries of different regions which are found in Tanzania map. So now we are going to label this one. Before to label, the region which is found in Tanzania country. We are going to open our attribute table so as to see the distributions of the region of Tanzania. The region of Tanzania, we have 26 region from Arusha up to Zanzibar West. So in order to name the admin one, we will base with name 1. Okay, let us right click here and go to properties. Okay, another way to go to the properties, you can double click the specific layer. For example, here you can double click this one and the properties, it is opened. Now we have different tools here, but our interest, we want to go to label here. Now there is no label. We are going to label, go to single label. In a single label we have name 0, but we not deal with name 0, but as we saw there, the region, the region val is name 1. So we are click and name 1. After clicking this one, we are going to apply. Okay, after applying, I think it use you see the displayed label on each boundaries. These are the region which are found in Tanzania. We have already labeled it, but we are going to customize with a text sample. Again, click administrative and double click this one so as to go to the properties. Okay, after having the name, you are going to customize by starting with a text. In a text, you can select any font do you want to have in your label layer. So you can select this one. Okay, in a style you can bold. Okay, size you can increase up to 15. Okay, point. Okay, color, any color you wish to have, and the opacity, maybe you can decrease up to any percentage do you want to have. Okay, let us put 100. Okay, and you can allow HTML format, and then okay, let us allow this one and apply. Okay, after applying, I think you see. Okay, let us see the customizations of our text. Let us proceeding to customize with format. Okay, we do not deal with this one. Okay, you can spacing, let us space word and so on. But let us navigate to buffer. We are going to draw our buffer. Okay, and you can increase the size of buffer. Okay, you can put it in millimeters, point, pixel, and so on. Okay, you can color buffers fill. Okay, and also can draw an effect or not, and then apply. Okay, you can select the nice color. It is a white color, but you can change up to, let's say, in a blue color. Okay, in a blue color, and click apply. Okay, as you see, okay, it is to have a good visual impression. So we are going to mask our layer. We are going to enable mask layer. You can select any color that you want to have here. Okay, let's say, okay, round to draw effect or not. Apply. Okay, we are masking. We are going to have a background. Okay, background. So we are going to draw a background of our label. Okay, let's select this one, and you can buffer or not. You can draw an effect. Okay, you can fill a color, for example. Click apply. After applying, I think you see the background. It is shown clear. Okay, and then you can change the color of your background. Maybe let's select a red color. Okay, and then apply a red color. Okay, you see this background. Okay. It depends on which color do you like to have in your background. Okay, and then we are going to shadow of our background. We can draw a shadow. Maybe let us select a black and apply. Okay, and let us to increase the opacity of our shadow. Apply. Okay, and then we can increase the size of our shadow. Okay, let us see. Okay, I think you see. This is how we can label our layer on a different customization that you want to have for your text sample. Okay, close this one. These are the labeling of our region which are found in Tanzania. As you see, it is shown clearly. You can read each label. Okay, thanks all of you, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so as you can get a notification for any uploaded video. The next lesson we will learn how to label to symbolize our region, and also to print layout map after labeling and symbology of this. So do not forget to subscribe and to click a ring button so as you can get the notification when I will upload a new video. Thanks so much.